Hello my beautiful friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make this honey soy garlic roasted salmon recipe. It's a flavorful recipe, it's quick and easy to make. So if you guys are interested to see more of how I make this honey soy garlic roasted salmon recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. To get this recipe started, I've got these beautiful salmon pieces. It smells really good and it's nice and clean. We're going to go in and pat the water off the salmon, and then I'm going to show you guys the next step to make this delicious honey soy garlic roasted salmon recipe. Once the salmon is nice and dry, we're going to go in with our extra virgin olive oil. So we're just going to add a teaspoon onto the salmon, and then we're going to massage the oil onto the salmon just like that. Once the salmon is fully coated into the oil, we are going to get our seasoning ready. So for this recipe, we are going to use our garlic powder, onion powder. We're going to go in with our seafood seasoning. Next, we're going to add our black pepper and fine sea salt. Now we're going to mix to combine all those ingredients. Now we're going to add the ingredients onto the salmon, and then we're going to brush the ingredients all over the salmon to add a nice and tasty flavor. Those salmon pieces looks absolutely beautiful, guys. We're going to continue to season these beautiful salmon pieces. So I'm just going to go in and add a teaspoon more of extra virgin olive oil, and then we're going to use our brush and just brush that in. Make sure the salmon is fully coated into the oil and the seasoning. Once the salmon pieces are fully coated and seasoned very well, we're going to set the salmon to bake for 10 minutes and 425 degrees. In the meantime, we're going to get ready to get our sauce ready for the salmon pieces. So we're going to get our pot ready. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pot. Next, we're going to go in and add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're going to saute the garlic for about a minute or so, and then we're going to go in with our following ingredients. So we're going to add our honey. We're going to go in with some low sodium soy sauce. Now we're going to mix to combine all those ingredients. Now is the perfect time to go in and add our hoisin sauce. This is going to add lots of flavor to the salmon. Now we're going to add our low sodium soy sauce, and it's a perfect time to mix very well to combine those ingredients. Once the sauce is nice and done, we're going to let it simmer for about a minute. Now we're going to let the sauce simmer for about a minute. We're going to get our salmon ready. So after baking for 10 minutes, this is what our salmon looks like, guys. It's nice and beautiful. We're going to add some of the sauce onto the salmon just like that. And then we're going to place the salmon back into the oven for another 5 minutes. That looks absolutely beautiful, and the sauce smells so good. Now we are going to set the salmon to bake again for another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys the final results of this delicious salmon recipe. So this is the final results of this salmon recipe, honey soy garlic roasted salmon recipe. It was a quick and easy recipe. It was packed with flavor. It was so yummy. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. The sauce was delicious. It was juicy on the inside and on the outside. If you guys enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Take care. Bye.